I've grown to the mom. And sorry, but no music now in here in this episode. No music. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, Assalamualaikum. Salam. And what? This is probably the most uncivilized way of eating a pseudo chicken Cajun salad. Pseudo because, you know, it was TGI Fridays Cajun salad that I made myself, though shittily. But yeah! Would you look at that? The amount of chicken beats the amount of salad. Well, I just had to finish that one slab of chicken, so... And... I'm eating it from this chair. Ni bekas bau lu tu tak? So yeah, I'm eating this straight from this bucket. It's like a bucket of salad. Yeah, it's a bucket of very, very chickeny salad. And now, the mix. Ayo, cannot see. Zoom. Oh, jatuh. Confirm jatuh. Yeah. Oh, uncivilization. What is it? See? 10-second rule. Oh, how many seconds do you like? It's just... Yeah, it's disgusting. Sorry for being disgusting in front of you. You people. Rah. I can't believe what am I doing? It looks delicious, but I don't know. It's been tasting, you know, edible. It tastes edible. Bye.